Hey, what's up guys, what's going on? Welcome again to another video. So on this video we're going to talk about corrections. So as we are going to continue on this series on the advanced Python series, so if you haven't watched all the other videos, please go back and watch them about the dictionaries, list, tuples and strings. So as we are here, we are going to proceed on corrections, and if you're new to this channel guys, please consider subscribing, liking and leaving your comments below. What are the corrections? Corrections in Python are containers. They are used for storing data, and common known as data structures. They are such as list, tuples, arrays, and dictionaries. So Python has a built-in correction module providing additional data structures for correction of data. So the correction module has 6 most commonly used data structures, and these data structures we are going to talk about. We are going to talk about the default dict, we are going to talk about the container, we are going to talk about the deque, we are going to talk about the named tuple, and we are going to talk about the chain map, and finally we are going to talk about the ordered dict. So guys, without further words, let's get our hands dirty by starting with the Defaultdict. So Defaultdict is exactly like a dictionary in Python. The only difference is that it does not give an exception or key error when you try to access the non-existent key. So as we know that we studied earlier, that the dictionary, when you assign a non-existent key, it gives you an exception or a key error, but using the Defaultdict, it doesn't give you that error. So in the following code, we are going to see that I haven't initialized the first index, but when I run my code, we are going to see that it doesn't give me an error. So for example, we need just to import from the correction. So from corrections, import Defaultdict. So let's say that nums equals to Defaultdict, and let us give it an integer. So let's say num, let's say here is 1, and let us give it is equals to 1, and let's say nums, and at position 2 let us give it to 2, and nums at position 3 let us give it to 3, and then let's try to print nums, and let us try to access the position number 4. As you can see that if we try to run our code, we can see that we just get the, let's run this, and if we run this, we get that we get a 0. So from the normal dictionary, we are going to have a key error that the 4 doesn't exist, but if we use the Defaultdict, that we don't get that particular error. So if we try for a normal dictionary, obviously we are going to get the key value error. So this is all about the dicts. Thank you so much for watching. So please consider subscribing, leaving your comments below, and by the way, like this video. So bye bye.